Johnstone Supply, our goal is to make it easy to do business with. One of the ways we can help you save time and money is by creating custom product lists. This way, you can keep your maintenance list in one safe location, make updates to your list at your convenience, and get your product delivered to you. Basically, make it the way you want it. Let's say you want product lists for your preventative maintenance items like filters. Here's what you'll do. Once logged into your johnstonenj.com account, click into the product list link on the top of the page. Here, you'll have options on how you want to stay organized and manage your lists and folders. If you have multiple properties, you can break it down by building. And in this building, you can break it down by your quarterly filter list, an annual filter list, a monthly filter list, however you want to do it. And reminder, it's not just filters, it's anything that Johnstone Supply can provide for you. But don't stress about creating folders because you can go back and make edits at any time. Once decided on how you want your custom folders to be, let's upload your filter list. Here, we also have a couple options. If you have purchased filters from Johnstone Supply before, we can take that order and simply upload it onto your account. This will automatically include quantities and sizes. If this is a new list, you can type in your filter size and add to cart, or even quicker, if you know the Johnstone Supply part number, enter it in the quick upload form and save it to your list. Or send your list to a Johnstone Supply teammate and we'll do the work for you. So now that your list is all set up, double check to make sure all quantities and sizes are correct. If you realize that you need a couple more filters before checkout, no worries. Simply press the plus or minus button to update the quantities. You can also check price and availability on these filters as well. You can add these to your cart, verify everything is on your cart, and then when you go to the final step for checkout, you can input all of your contact information. But here's the cool part. We can deliver your filter list to each building. So before you order, let Johnstone know your multiple addresses and check out which building you would want to choose from. Once you're done, submit the order and we'll take it from there. Reach out to your local Johnstone Supply teammates for any questions. Thank you for watching and thanks for shopping with Johnstone Supply, more than a supply house.